Now, once you sign up to PongoShare and you log in, this is what you will be able to see. And now this really looks like you've ended up on Amazon or AliExpress or eBay, right? And you might be wondering right now, like, Dave, I don't want to buy these products. I didn't come here to spend my money. I came here to make money. Show me how to make money. And that's okay. You will not have to buy any of these products and you will not have to spend any money on PongoShare. You're here to make money. This is just showing you how much you can make as an affiliate by promoting these products with PongoShare affiliate marketplace. And all these different products will pay you different commissions. For example, this jacket right here will pay you $4.10 per sale, almost $7 for this jacket right here, 28 cents for this product right here, $50 for this one, and so on and so forth. But the top products will be at the top of the page. As you can see, for this product you can earn almost $13 as an affiliate, almost $30 as an affiliate for this product, $11 for this one, $16 for this one, and so on. And if you want to promote this product as a referral, as an affiliate, and make almost $30 per sale, all you gotta do is press on earn by referral, and that's instantly gonna give you your special affiliate link that you can share with other people in order to make money. Now, don't worry, because I will be showing you different ways to make money as well. This is just one of the ways you can make money with PongoShare affiliate marketplace. It's by grabbing some affiliate link and then you can promote it to a targeted group of people in order to make money. And this is the special affiliate link which you will need to copy for this particular product. So just click on the copy icon right here and you can share it with other people to start making money online.